So, good evening mga kigwahers. So ngayon is magpapa-check up ako sa aking heart kasi sometimes nagpapapalpitate ako, nagpalpitate ako ba sometimes. So meron akong palpitation na nagaganap sa aking heart. So ayun, so tonight is my schedule para sa check-up ko sa aking heart. So now is I'm waiting for my husband to come back. Ayan, so pagdating ng asawa ko, punta kami doon sa clinic, heart clinic. Yung palpitation ko is naganap last month of November 2023. Tapos bumalik na naman sa December. So last January, iba yung clinic na pinuntahan ko sa heart check-up ko. So yung heartbeat ko is very tired, yung mahina yung yung rhythm niya. Sabi ng doktor, i-observe daw ako. So last January to 2024. Tapos, so ayun na, umuwi na kami. I was very sad at that time. Nang lalamig ako, nagsishaver ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ihinto yun. So ayan, tapos ang hirap pa mga kigwahers kasi meron akong baby, di ba? Kinaumagahan, nagsishaver pa rin ako. Yun. But later naging okay ako. And then, so ayun na, tuloy pa rin ang ating mga ginagawa sa buhay. Ayun na, meron na naman ako na-feel na something sa feeling ko. So ayan, we decided to go to another doctor for another check-up of my heart. So we went to another cardiologist. Yun, nagpatingin na naman kami. So last July to mga kigwahers, July 2024. So pumunta kami doon, tapos chinik ng doktor yung heart ko. So yung heartbeat ko, nilagay nila yung anong tawag nun, yung may ganito, tapos ganito, nilagyan ako nun. So, pero normal yung beating ko, heartbeat ko. Tapos sinabi ko talaga sa doktor, may nafe-feel talaga ako ng something, may ganito, bumabalik siya. So nilagyan ako ng machine, yung one day at 24 hours machine na ikakabit dito para malaman talaga yung 1D heartbeat ko. Yun, nilagyan ako dito. Tapos nakita ng doktor na normal yung heartbeat ko, but sometimes nag-i-stop siya for 2 seconds. 4 times siya nag-stop. Okay, honey. Okay, let's go. So later mga kigwahers, chika tayo mamaya, okay? So ayan mga kigwahers, we're heading to the clinic. Heart clinic mga kigwahers kasi magpapa-check up na nga ako. So magpapa-check up na ako. Nandito na yung asawa ko. So ayan, time check, it is now 6:22 in the evening. Yung schedule ko sa pagpapa-check up is 6:30 in the evening. So ayan. But anyway, malapit lang kami dito sa clinic area. So it's okay. So ayan, see you later. But I don't know if I can bring you sa inside ng clinic, baka prohibited. But i-share ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung update, okay? So, see you later mga kigwahers. So, super gabi na dito. Not super dark na dito sa akin. Ayan. Yeah, it's stop. Alam niyo mga kigwahers, yung feeling ko ba, natatakot ako, ayaw ko malaman yung resulta, pero gusto ko malaman yung resulta. Parang ganyan, yung very uneasy, uncomfortable feeling. Iwan ko. Sana okay lang yung lahat, di ba? Anyway, so dyan kami pupunta, kaso very full yung parking. So maghahanap kami ng parking area na available. Ayan. So ngayon mga kigwahers is nag-walking kami papunta ng clinic. Ay, gikulbaan ko. I feel nervous mga kigwahers suddenly. Murag ikuan ang ako ang kasing-kasing ba. Nahadlok manoon ko Gikulbaan ko. So see you later. Yan. Andito na kami sa clinic. So ayan mga kigwahers, andito na kami sa bahay. So ayan, update. Ayan, update sa sa pagpapa-check up namin sa aking heart. Hindi ako nakapag-video inside the room because it's prohibited. So, ayan, mag-share na lang ako ng some of the information from the doctors. So, chinek yung aking blood pressure. Sabi nila, okay lang yung aking blood pressure, normal. So, chinek yung doktor yung heart ko dito area. Okay yung check-up ng doktor ko dito. Pero, to make it sure, so within this week, magpapadala sila ng yung kind of machine na ididikit sa aking heart area para malaman yung heartbeat ko kung normal o hindi ba normal. So, ilalagay ko yun dito for about 5 days. So, 5 days siyang ilalagay dito. So yung chika natin, hindi natin na-continue kanina kasi dumating na yung asawa ko tapos pupunta na kami doon sa clinic. So, hi mga kigwaher, nakuha na namin yung pinadala sa amin na heart detector. So, titingnan namin to ng asawa ko kung ano yung mga direction kung paano ito ilalagay. So, is it right, honey?
You have to record the day, the time. And if you push twice or not, push twice, you should circle kochi. If you forget to push twice, you have to lie down here to understand.
Yeah. So, snack time muna kami ng asawa ko mga kigwahers. So, ito yung aming kakainin today. Cheesecake. Tapos, yung ito, barley tea or mugitcha. Ayan. So, open natin to. So, ito yung inside. Diba? Super cute. May pa-design sila. Ito, ganyan. Ayan. So, always here, right? So, ito rin. Cheesecake to. Iba-iba lang yung kanyang design. So, ito yung yung e-patch na pang sa aking heartbeat. Right, honey? Heartbeat. Cheesecake. Assorted.
Oh, so be 4?
4.
1, 2, 3.
What is the flavor of this?
Caramel cheesecake, baked, strawberry cheese tart.
Okay. Okay. It's caramel cheese tart. So, ito is baked cheesecake. Ito is strawberry flavor. Tapos, ito is tart flavor. So, this one is caramel flavor. Ayan. Cheesecake. Lahat to. Assorted siya. Thank you, Lord. Ayan. So, anyway, we can eat together, ne? In different taste. Hambon. Oh, very so funny. Hi.
Very soft.
What's your name?
Oh yeah.
I-divide ko to para patas ba? Patas. Wakansi ba? Wakansi sa bahin. Ayan. So, 4 to. Lahat kakainin namin to. So, ayan. I divided already, honey. So, yung result nito is when we can get the result, honey? Saturday?
No. After we will say. Then back. And then we have to call me.
Okay. So, after 5 days na inattach sa aking heart area, so, ipapasa namin to, ipa-deliver? Deliver? We will send this one.
Send back.
Yeah, we will send this one to the clinic. Ayan. Through post office. Right? Post office?
Post office or convenience store.
So, ipapasa namin to sa convenience store or through post office. Tapos, so after that, the clinic will be the one to call us the result. Right? Wala. This is yours, this is yours, this is yours.
Yeah.
Alam nyo, natatakot ako ba kung ano yung result Parang iwan talaga ako, ya? Sana okay lang, di ba?
これは同じこれ
Yeah, unaji. That's yours.
Why become separated one?
So that it's yours. It's mine.
Okay.
Correct. Loading ning ako. Bana ba? Loading. You know loading?
I don't know.
Yung wifi. Dalawa talaga yung kutsara ko. Yung baby ko is nag-nap time na siya. So, wala kaming magawa sa bahay. So, ito lang. Did you finish already yours, correct? Okay, haya. So, unang araw to na inatouch namin ng asawa ko kanina. So, hintayin natin yung resulta nito Friday. Kasi inatouch namin to 11:30. So, 11:30. So, Saturday 11:30 yun. Kasi, dapat 5 days to sa aking dibdib na naka-attach. Ayan. Share ko lang. What we gonna do, honey? Nothing? I have question you. Before you met me, what's your impression?
What is the impression?
So now, we will talk about impression. When you met me, what is your impression? The first time.
What kind of person?
What kind of person I am?
Very big eyes.
So meaning,
Big eyes person.
he said, what did you say? So, his first impression to me is, sino ba ako?
Why smiling?
Tapos, why smiling daw ako? Ayan. Actually, mga kigwahers, smiley talaga ako. Smiley, very friendly talaga ako. Am I very friendly? Very friendly ako. Kahit sino, nag-i-smile ako, parang iwan.
Before we met, maybe twice, I saw you.
Twice, you saw me?
The second is maybe very raining and tricycle with the Japanese friend.
At the time, I was smiling at you at the time.
Yeah, so waving your hand.
I wave you, right? And you smile me. And what's your feeling at the time?
Who is this?
Grabe naman tong asawang to.